controversy is concerned, it has now taken a fresh turn with the Delhi Police Special Cell now issuing a notice to Penguin Random House India Private Limited. Now, the publisher has been asked to join the investigation and to respond over the queries over the alleged leak. Now, Priyank, good morning. Amid the ongoing controversy around the alleged unauthorized circulation of the former Army Chief General Naravne's memoir, Penguin Random House India had also issued a statement previously clarifying that an announced book, which is available for pre-order, and a published book does not mean the same. So what is that we are looking at now? They've been asked to join the investigation.
See, Amita, the basic fact of the investigations of the Delhi Police Special Cell, which has taken over the investigation, is to find out that who was the person who had leaked this particular document from the Penguin publication. It is also known fact that the Penguin came out with their clarification, and Manoj Naravne, the former Army chief, had also posted that on the social media that this is the book. But the due process needs to be followed because the Delhi Police Special Cell has started following this investigation following the social media posts, and they claim that they had taken the suo motu cognizance in this. So the due process needs to be followed because the FIR has been filed. Now the process include a collection of the document. That will be the first process since the FIR has been filed, for which notices have been issued to the concerned party, which is Penguin publication. This is what our sources have been suggesting. And on the basis of which the Delhi Police will be trying to scrutinize the exact date when the book was supposed to be released and what would happen. The content which has been leaked on social media is actually matching with the content of the actual book. Later in the stage, we know, Amita, what is going to happen because someone who was holding that forwarded copy book in his hand, which was obviously leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi.
He's been putting out and talking about those posts as well that go back to 2023. Because this clarification is now coming in on part of the publication, stating that the publisher has exclusive rights over General Naravne's memoir, which is 4 Stars of Destiny, and that the book has not been published yet, which has also been, followed up by the general himself. Thank you very much, Priyank, because we have Mohit also joining in, because as we speak of the former Army Chief, General Naravne, who is now gone on record, Union